Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I'm gonna answer a question that has been asked a lot of times as to how I keep my paint jobs clean, how they come out super clean. I'm gonna show you the process that I do in order to keep the area clean before I'm gonna start painting. Alright, let's just get started. Alright guys, to start off, I use a pressure washer. Alright, this is the brand I'm using. It's 2700 PSI, and that's what I use to pressure wash the floors, the walls, everything. Okay, so let me just show you what I do. I'm gonna just fast forward so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna show everything. Okay, so just bear with me, pay attention. And that's how I do it in order to keep everything clean. And there it is. That's the way I wash the floors and the walls. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get myself a leaf blower, and I'm gonna start blowing the ceiling. Okay, So let me just get started so that you can see what I do. Alright guys, and that's it. Now all I do is bring in the car so I can cover it up. So I bring in the car and then I'll bring down the tarp. So let me just bring down the tarp like if I got a car here. Alright, and there it is. The tarp is down. So now I have the car in here. I can start masking it, having it ready to paint. The tarp, guys, I got it from Heavy Duty Tarps. There's their website. I used to get like Walmart tarps and all those, but they only lasted like about a day or two and they'll start tearing. This one, it's like real thick tarp. So if you got a garage or something, I recommend these guys. They'll do you a good tarp to your specifications, and they'll ship it to your door. And they're heavy duty. Haven't had any problems with these. And that's it. That's the way I keep the area, or that's what I do in order for me to clean everything in here for me to start painting. Okay, now I know that there's nothing that's gonna land on the vehicle once I start painting, and I do this for everything. I do this when I'm gonna shoot primer. I do this when I'm gonna shoot the paint. All right. I hope this video helped. I hope it gives you an idea as to what I do in order for me to get a clean paint job. Sometimes, yes, I do have little dirt nibs here and there. You're gonna get it anyways. It doesn't really matter. You might be on a paint booth and you're still gonna get something. But you minimize everything, like 95% of it. So now those little paint defects that occurred, you can just buff those out real quick. And that's it. That's the way I do it in order for me to keep the area clean and making sure that it's gonna work for the paint job. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you this coming weekend. And which I'm gonna start using that new DV1 paint gun. Stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be a review of it. All right guys, so this will be it. Stay tuned, and guys, have a great weekend, the rest of your weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend. All right, thank you. Like always, God bless.